Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix your PlayStation 5 controller keeps disconnecting. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console and controller are fully charged. A low battery can often cause unexpected disconnections. Next, check for any physical obstructions between your controller and the console, as a clear line of sight is crucial for a stable wireless connection. Finally, always verify that your controller's firmware is completely up to date, as outdated software can lead to connectivity problems. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, a controller reset is often the next best step. On the back of your PlayStation 5 controller, you'll find a tiny reset button. Use a small, pointed object, like a straightened paperclip, to press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds. After the reset, reconnect your controller to the console using a USB-C cable to repair it, ensuring a fresh connection. Wireless interference can significantly impact your controller's connection stability. Try moving your PlayStation 5 console away from other electronic devices that emit wireless signals, such as Wi-Fi routers, cordless phones, or microwave ovens. Also, ensure your console is not enclosed in a cabinet, as this can block the wireless signal. For a guaranteed stable connection, consider using a USB-C cable directly. If the problem persists, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. If you have access to another PlayStation 5 console, test your controller there to determine if the issue lies with the controller or your console. A faulty USB-C cable can also cause problems, so try a different one. If all else fails, it's best to contact PlayStation support for further assistance, as there might be an internal hardware issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.